Hello everybody, my name is Jeremy Eck with the Boat House Group. Today we are sitting on the brand new 2025 Everglades 455 that we just received here at the Boat House of Naples. I'm going to go through a detailed walkthrough on a lot of the amazing features and ways to utilize this boat. As we start out in the stern of the boat, this boat's powered by quad Yamaha 450 XTOs. You're going to have the full maneuverability with your joystick, autopilot, bow thruster, just an absolutely incredible setup coming right from the factory. As we start in the back of this boat, one thing you'll notice is the ample space here in the transom of the boat, whether that's for fishing, entertaining, whatever it may be. On the days you're fishing, fold up these rear seats. You got a lot of room back here. And on the days you're pleasure boating and cruising around, you've got triple wide seats that fold right out. If you notice, the backrest fold up nicely, so they're nice and tall, supporting your back on rough seas. Behind that, we're gonna have large fish box across the transom wall, as well as dual aquarium live wells. In front of that, we have our rear facing seat. Really nice setup. Underneath of that seat, we've got a freezer plate built in, so you don't have to put ice and all on those long trips. You can keep dry food cold without having to add ice, whatever the case may be, as well as a nice oversized make fast sunshade. Really, really nice setup for, again, days that are cruising, or if you're fishing, sit back here, watch your lines. Just a lot of room depending on the style of boating. Both to our port and starboard, you're gonna have dive doors with dedicated ladders that come right out over the side for entering in onto the boat from in the water. And then down below here in the floor, we got access to all of our seacocks, our generator, our seakeeper that's on board, all very, very accessible. As we move a little bit further forward, you're gonna notice we got air conditioning on this rear-facing mezzanine seat, as well as on your triple wide rear helm seats. So this boat is gonna have dual row of forward-facing helm seats. You got 3 across the back here with air conditioning at the back. They're all individually bolstered, have individual armrests, makes it really nice and comfortable for those long days on the water, as well as you're gonna have overhead Garmin displays right here for this second row. As we step a little bit further forward, we're gonna have triple wide helm seats again with all the beautiful teak accenting. All 3 of these seats are all gonna be on shock absorbers, as well as these outer 2 seats. You can either fold them to the outside if you're watching your spread with your lines, or flip them all the way around if you're entertaining underneath this oversized hardtop. Stepping a little bit further forward, you'll notice a nice little step up at the helm. Gives you great visibility around the boat, as well as you have an additional step that'll slide out here for the captain. Your captain's chair does slide forward and aft to get you closer to the screens and displays if need be. We're gonna have triple wide oversized Garmins. These are all 22-inch displays. Again, air conditioning here, your full controls, different switching, which is all redundant switching. This boat also has fully integrated Garmin switching that's been specifically designed with Garmin and Everglades to make an absolute incredible experience. Joystick controls, zip wake trim tabs, your Lumar bow thruster, fully set up here at the dash, making it very comfortable. And as you all know, on an Everglades, we also have the power windshield that slides up and down. That is an amazing feature, whether you're doing some nighttime boating and you want to get the glare out, or if it's a nice day and you want to get a breeze, open the boat up while you're sitting at the sandbar as you're docking to be able to talk to somebody on the bow. There's a lot of really, really amazing features and usability with that power windshield. As we come over to the side of the boat, we're going to have nice dedicated storage up and down the gunnel side walls. Great for life vests, dock lines, just additional stuff so you're not taking up your storage in your bow seats or storage down below in the cabin. Open up this door, beautiful door, gives you a lot of access down below. We've got a great setup down here with a refrigerator, microwave, large oversized berth with power table. A lot of boats in this size class are gonna have a wet head, whereas this one's got the area for the head as well as a separate shower next to it, which is very, very nice. You got bow rails all up and down the gunnel side. So if you are in rougher seas, something to hold on to, you feel comfortable in the boat. And then we get up here to the bow. Another great area for, again, day boating, room if you're fishing, to get around the boat. We're gonna have a triple wide lounger up here in the front. Very comfortable. You notice when you're sitting in it, you're leaned back, you're in a comfortable position. as well as we've got additional cooler space up here in the front. Wraparound seating with a power table that comes up out of the floor. There's also a filler pad that goes on top of that table. So if you want to make it a big day lounger, you can, or bring it all the way up as a table, or strip the cushions off if you're fishing. Bring that table up, lock it into position. Gives it a nice sturdy platform, whether you're pitching a rod, throwing a cast net, whatever the case may be. As well, in the floor, we have 3 in-floor fish boxes that are all macerated, a large one up here in the bow, and then 2 additional ones on the port and starboard side towards the stern. Here we do a lot of trips down to the Keys, up towards Tampa area. Recently just did another trip of about 718 miles with a client. We spent 5 days on the boat. We had 5 of us on board and everyone was very, very comfortable. Many of the main things that makes this boat so incredible, if you've heard with the Everglades legacy, is that ram cap technology. What that does is gives you the most solid, stable riding platform out of any boat in the industry. So if you haven't been out on Everglades, I do highly recommend you going out and test driving one. Getting a demo on the water really shows the difference of what an Everglades is capable of. And if you want some additional information on it, come stop in one of the dealerships, give us a call, and we can really explain to you what that makes Everglades ram cap technology so special. So again, my name is Jeremy Eck with the Boat House Group. Today we're on this 2025 Everglades 455. This boat is here and available for sale. Come on, check it out here at the showroom. Give us a call at any of our dealerships or follow us on any of our social media page. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the water.